Can't risk it all. Climbed to waterfall. We got too involved. I had to make the call. Can't be us. I don't got time. I'm too busy getting
What is up, YouTube? Saint Tyree back with another banger. And today is gonna be a little different. Well, it's kind of like an OG video, just newer. 3 days ago, I got a notification from YouTube saying that my most popular video, it was its 3-year anniversary, which was a curly hair routine. It was a curly hair routine that I did back when I was in Denver like 3 years ago. And it went really good. Like, it got like 91,000 views. So today, since I got dreads, I'm gonna try to retwist my dreads. Today is this is the first time I ever retwisted my dreads by myself. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, so hopefully it goes good, so y'all can take these tips. Now I kind of know what to do already. I've been messing around with it, but I never fully did my own head. So we about to see how that go. I hope y'all guys like it. I hope you learned something from this. These are the products I use. This is Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. I also use Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And I also put the shea butter oil and the argan oil inside the conditioner. Okay, so right now I'm about to just section off like my hair. When I section off, really just tie it up and start on the back, I guess. That's pretty much where everybody starts. I kind of want to start on the front, but I'm going to start on the back, get that out the way. I got the back sectioned off, if you can see that, hopefully. Okay. And now I'm about to start. And I'm going to just spray my hair and then apply the locking gel. I'm just massaging it into the dread real good towards the root. Don't palm roll it. Get it nice and tight. And if it stays to your scalp, like if it lays good on your scalp, then you rolled it the correct direction. If it doesn't, like stay flat on your scalp where it just has like a little knot or something, or it rolls up, you probably gotta roll it the other way. Real quick, I want to do a couple in the front. I just started the back. I just finished the first back row. It took about 8 minutes around there. But I want to do some in the front just so I can give you guys some, I can talk to y'all while I'm doing it and not be exhausted. Hold them by the threes. Slowly about to just drench them all because I ain't got time. Okay, so right now I'm just going to work the gel into my hair just to get it in there, thoroughly. And then I'm going to start to palm roll it just to make sure it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to leave the clamp at the end, like near the root, so it's nice and tight and it holds. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys all like this video. Don't forget to comment down below, become part of the family. Likes, don't forget to share, bro. Share the video. And I ain't gonna lie, likes help a lot. So like and share, become family. See you guys later. Peace.